Well, unfortunately, there's not a lot of change except that it's a little stronger, and there's not much change in that forecast track. We're still very much in the cone with this one. Let's take a look at Delta. And it's interesting that we're talking about a storm that's to the south of the Cayman Islands. It's down in the Caribbean, yet we're expecting potential landfall somewhere across the northern Gulf Coast by the end of the week. This is going to be a fast mover. It's a lot different than Sally. I know it's easy to want to compare. Say, oh, well, Sally did this, so this storm might do that. This is a much different scenario in a lot of ways. It could get stronger, and then it could get weaker, and the track, well, there's a lot of different things that may happen with the track, but all in all, it's going to be a much faster storm. It's going to be a fast forward speed, so don't let this one catch you off guard. You want to be checking in here with Fox 10 News morning and night the next couple of days. 80 miles per hour, west-northwest at 7, pressure 977. This is a Category 1 hurricane now, and if you're watching this morning, it just got named earlier this morning as a tropical storm, so this thing is ramping up quickly, and we may even be starting to see an eye-like feature showing up underneath the central dense overcast there on the satellite picture. Here's a look at the track, and we do expect it to continue to wrap around a ridge that's sitting over Florida. That's going to have it accelerating across the Yucatan going northwest. Then it'll turn north as it rounds a ridge. Ridge starts backing off, trough swings in, and boom, it starts to turn northeast. That's not good. That'll potentially drag the center our way, if not just to our west, and we're going to be on the wet and windy side. We're going to get the onshore flow. Timing wise, looks like Friday evening, and you see that number right there. It could be a 100 mile per hour Category 2 on Friday evening according to the intensity forecast, and that's not a set in stone thing. And looking at the forecast going forward, it will be over some cooler water in the northern Gulf with some shear and some dry air, but it's going to be moving fast, so we'll see how strong it gets before it weakens.